Welcome to episode 5 of Industrial Robot tutorial. I hope you guys are having fun with this tutorial and I'm being able to deliver some really good knowledge to you. In episode 4, we have talked about different frames which are used in robotics. One of them is called tool center point frame, if you guys remember. So today we will try to make a demonstration how to fix the TCP in a tool. Basically, when you don't have any tool, which is called tool 0, is the midpoint of the wrist of your rope. So whenever you fix a new tool, you need to measure the tool center point. Otherwise, the tool will not reach the desired position. So let's start. I'm gonna select IRB 140, then controller. I will suggest to you guys to practice this. Try to do anything. Just practice. Just play with these things. It will be easier for you to work with it later. How much you will play, you will understand that much, and that many problems will come. And when you will solve lot of problem, you will learn more. So try to practice as much as you can. Then I will choose I think this one, and I will put it on the, I'll mount it with the robot. So I have the everything. Now whenever you want to measure the TCP or tool center point, you need to have a something as a reference. So something like a pointy something. So either you can make a CAD model yourself, or you can also use this. If you go to modeling tab, you have here cone. You can put diameter 100, and I think 300 will be enough. Okay, so just I bring it here. Now, so we will use flex pendant here, since when you will work with real robot, you will definitely use flex pendant to take data for TCP or work object area. So I will show you from the flex pendant. So now I think I can keep it here. I think it's better to put here and so this. So first we have to go to the program editor, and we will go to the jogging. We will select tool. Okay, we have to enable it. Motor on. We'll go tool, new. We'll put this tool gun. Okay. Then on the tool, so you have to change the mass, which will be written on the tool gun also, otherwise it will not work. So normally on the gun you will have written how much weight it has and everything. So I think we can talk about these things later. So we will use the method of 4 points. So basically, if you look at the, so with this tool gun, we will try to touch the sharpest point here, and after that we will take one value like this, 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 and this way. So there are two more ways, TCP and Z, or it calls like 5 point or 6 point. So those are used in different cases that I think we will talk about later when it will be the right time. Right now we will only focus on 4 point. So first we have to come to the straight point with this controller. So in simulation software it is very tough to do this, but in real life, trust me, it's 1,000 times easy. I have done it myself and I can assure you it's super easy when you do it in the real life with the real robot. It's super easy, but in simulation software it's quite tough to do this. So basically with this controller you have to fix it, but I will show you another way. Like this is like, it's like cutting the corner. So this is for like practice purpose, but normally if you work with real robot you have to fix it with this, like you have to come to this point and fix it. And I know it's quite tough in software, but trust me, in real life it's super easy. Our main intention is to learn how it works, but in real life you obviously have to follow the way, otherwise it will not work. If you notice, it has already touched the corner. See it better. Yeah, it has. It will be better as much as middle point you can go. It will be better. So this will be my first point, modify position. Now I will cut some corner so it becomes little, I want to make my life little bit easy. But then normally if you do it in real time, in real robots, you have to fix it with this controller again. But since I'm working with the simulation software, I will try to cut some corner. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna select this and I will use this move and rotate and choke joint. So I will turn it like this. So when you work with the controller, you also need to turn like this, then you go away from the point, and you again come back to the point. So this will be my second point. I can select this. I want to make it a little bit forward, otherwise it will show me problem with moving. Like in this angle, again go away, come back to the point. Yeah, should be fine. So this will be my third point. Now again I select this and I will rotate into the no, sorry, keep this angle. This will be enough. Then go away and come back. Perfect. So now this is my fourth point. Then I fix it. Okay. So my TCP has been set, but now we have to check did I do it correctly or not? Did the robot exactly find the tool center point? So to examine the TCP is correct or not, we have to select tool gun here, and we have to go to the motion mode, and we have to select it, reorient. So if the robot moves around the point, then we have done a good job. Let's check. So if you look, it's moving around that point. So I think we can conclude that we have done a good job. We have successfully found the TCP. So that's how it works. And whenever you will change a new tool, keep it in mind that you have to do this process again. So every time whenever you change a new tool, you have to find the TCP. Even though if you change the tool, like if you make it bigger or smaller, you also need to fix the TCP. One more important thing, if you don't save it, you will lose the data. So if you work later, you have to fix this tool, you have to fix this TCP point again. So I will save it so we can practice with this later. Today I will finish this tutorial till here. Thank you guys for watching till end. I will try to come back as soon as possible with the next tutorial. Till that, take care and goodbye.